everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you aptitude tricks that is related to percentages. If you are finding difficulty to solve percentage related problems, then this video is for you. Watch till the end. I will be explaining different kinds of questions in this video. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to it for more aptitude tricks and tips. Let us start with an example. A TV costs 12,000 and it is sold at 20% more than the cost price. Find the selling price. Here the cost is 12,000 and it is sold at 20% more than the cost price. We have to find the selling price of that. Let us solve it step by step. Here the TV cost is 12,000. It is increased by 20%. What is the selling price? We have to find it out. Selling price is equal to cost plus increase. Here we know the increase in percentage. We have to find out the amount of that increase. Let us solve that. To find the increase amount, cost into increase percentage divided by 100. Here the TV cost is 12,000 into increased percentage is 20 divided by 100 is equal to, we will get 2,400. This is the increased cost. Selling price is equal to cost plus increase. Here the cost is 12,000 and the increased amount is 2,400. When we add these two, we will get the selling price along with that increased percentage, that is 14,400. This is the selling price of the TV. Found it easy, right? I'll tell you one practice example. If you practice this, then only you will be perfect in this percentage related problems. Just practice this. A jacket cost 2,500. It sold at 15% discount. Find the price after discount. You have to do step by step like this only. Then it will be easy for you to calculate the find after discount. Price after the discount. Let us see the second example. A salary is increased by 20%. New salary is 36,000. Find the original salary. The salary is increased by 20%. After increase, the salary is 36,000. We have to find the original salary, that is before this increment. Let us find out that. Increased percentage is 20% and the new salary is 36,000. To find the new salary, here the new salary is equal to, first of all, it was 100%, then 20% was increment, it is 120%. New salary is, it is addition of both 100% before and now 20% increment, it is 120%. We have to find the new salary increment percentage, that is 120 by 100, it will be 1.2. Here to find the original salary, new salary divided by this 1.2, we will get the original salary. Let us find out that. New salary is 36,000 they have told, and here it is the percentage of that new salary, that is 1.2 is equal to, the original salary is 30,000. After 20% increment, it is 36,000. Very simple, right? And the next question is, increase 800 by 12%. To find the 12%, how to find the 10% of that first of all. Then it will be easy to find the 12% of that. 10% of that 800 means easily we can calculate, that is 80 rupees. Means just 100% means when 800 is 800, here the 800 means 100%. I want 10% of that means just cancel zeros. I will get 10% means 80. 10% I can easily find out, that is 80 rupees. 2% of that means 16. Here we want 12% of that 800. Then 10 plus 12, that is 12%. 10 plus 2. Here this is 2. That is 80 plus 16. We will get 96. 96 is the 12% of 800. Very simple, right? I have a practice question for you. Increase 1000 rupees by 15. Like this only you have to do. When I increase 12%, I will get 96. When I add this to 800, I will get 896. When you follow these steps, you will get 15% of the 1000 and you have to increase that. And next question is find 15% of 240. I have explained this previously. When 240 is 100%, I want only 10%. Means the 10% of 240 is 24. And I can easily find out the 5%. That is off of that 10%. Off of that 10%. 12. Here I can easily find out that 15% of 240. That is 24 plus 12. That is 36. 36 is the 15% of 240. Very simple, right? And also practice find the 25% of 700 and let me know in the comment section. Here I have one more question. Decrease 1500 by 18%. Anything which ends with 0, I can easily calculate the 10% of that. That is 1500 is 100% means to find the 10%, just cancel here 1 0, here 1 0. 150 is the 10%. 150 is the 10% of that 1500. And when I want to calculate the 5%, take the half of that 10%. That will be 75. Here they have asked 18%. I have to calculate 3 more percent of that 1500. It is 45. Add these three, 150, 75 and 45. You will get 270. This is the 18% of 1500 and they have told to decrease it. When we decrease that 1500 minus 270, we will get 1230. This is the final answer. I have a practice question for you. Decrease 1250 by 10% and let me know in the comment section what you got. Very simple. These are very basics of percentage related problems in aptitude. Let us see one more question. A t-shirt cost 400 and sold at 500. Find the profit percentage. The actual cost is 400 and it sold at 500. Here the profit is 100 rupees. They have told to find the profit percentage. Profit is equal to 500 minus 400, that is 100. Profit percentage is equal to 100 the profit divided by 400, that is actual cost of the t-shirt, into 100. It is 25%. The cost percentage is 25%. Very easy, right? I'll tell you a practice question. A dress cost 2000 and sold at 2500. Here the profit in amount is 500. Find the profit percentage and let me know in the comment section. And let us see one more question. 75 is what percent of 250? Here 75, it is what percent of 250? Here 75 divided by 250, it is 3 by 10, which is equal to 0.3. Here we have to divide these two. We will get some percentage. We have to multiply that with 100. Then only we will get that percentage. 75 is 30% of 250. This is 30%. The answer is 30%. 75 is 30% of 250. Very easy, right? I have a practice question for you. 85 is what percent of 300? Find it out and let me know in the comment section what you got. Here I have one more question. A person invested 50,000 rupees and 15% profit. He got 15% profit and then 10% loss. After 15% profit, he got 10% loss. Find the final amount. What is the final amount he has? Let us all this step by step. He invested 50,000 rupees, 15% of 50,000. He got profit of 15,000. To find, we have to find the profit amount. Here 15% means I can easily calculate the 10%, that is 5,000. To find the 5% of that, take the off of that 10%, that will be 5,000, that is 2,500. Here I can easily calculate the 15% of 50,000, that is 7,500. I have to add the 5,000 and 2,500. I'll get 7,500. This is the profit he got after 15%. 15% means that is 7,500. Here, after profit he got 10% loss. That's why we have to add this 50,000 plus 7,500 profit. The total amount he has is 57,500 present after profit. After profit only he got 10% loss. Let us calculate that. 10% of that 57,500 is 5,700. This is the loss. Here you have to decrease the 5,700 from 57,500. You will get 51,750. This is the final amount that person has, that is 51,750. Very simple, right? Find the 15% of 50,000 and just add it because it's profit. After profit he got 10% loss. You have to find the 10% of that 57,500 and decrease from that 57,500. You will get the final amount he has. Very simple, right? Find the 15% of 50,000 and just add it because it's profit. After profit he got 10% loss. You have to find the 10% of that 57,500 and decrease from that 57,500. You will get the final amount he has. Very simple. Here I will tell you how to find the quick percentage of any number. If they told you to find the 50% of that number, then quickly you can say that half of that number. 25% means half of 50%. 25% means half of that 50%. 75% means 50% and 25%. You have to add those two. For example, let us find 200. For 200, 50% means 100. Half of that 200. And 25% means half of that 50%. That is 50. If I want to calculate the 75%, that is 50% plus 25. Which means 100 plus 50. I will get 150. Very simple, right? Try with the 500 also. And one more question. A shirt costs rupees 500 and discount is 1000. You can easily calculate in seconds because I have told you how to find the 10% of a number. Easily you can say that 10% of this number is 50, because when 500 is 100%, I want to calculate the 10% means just cancel this 0, this 0. This is the 50 is the 10% of this 500. You can just calculate that easily. Find the price after discount. Here we have to find the price after discount. The discount is 10%. Original price is 500. Discount percentage is 10%. If you calculate in this method, you can easily decrease that 50 in that 500. You can easily say that it is after discount the price is 450. You can easily say in just seconds. If you don't know how to solve it, then this is the procedure. Discount amount is equal to original price into discount percentage divided by 100. Original price of that shirt is 500 into discount percentage is 10 divided by 100, that is 50. Here the discount amount is 50. Price after discount is equal to original price minus discount. We have to minus the original discount from that original price, that is 500 minus 50. The original price is 450, means after discount it is 450. If you calculate in this method, it will be very easy and it will save your time as well. Here I will tell you, find 15% of any number easily. First you have to find the 10% of that number. It will be very easy to find the 10% of any number. Then off of that 10%, that is 5%. Here if you have to do 10% and off of the 10%, that is 5%. That will be 15%. Let us solve an example. We have taken 200. We have to find the 15% of 200. Easily we can calculate the 10%, that is 20, and for 5% off of that 10%, that is 10. Easily I can calculate by adding these two. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 is the 15% of 200. Very simple, right? Try with the 500 and let me know in the comment section. It will take just seconds to solve. Here I am taking too much time because to make you understand step by step easily. Let us solve one more question. A student scores 36 out of 40. Find the percentage marks. He will score 36 out of 40. We have to find the percentage marks. Obtained marks are 36, total marks 40. Percentage is obtained marks divided by total marks into 100. That is 36 divided by 40 into 100. That is 90. The student scored 90%. Very simple, right? What are all the obtained marks? Divided by total marks into 100. You will get the percentage. And I have a practice question for you, that is, a student scores 45 out of 50. Find the percentage marks. Practice this and let me know in the comment section. If you practice now, then only you will be perfect in these percentage related problems. And whatever I have covered in this video are just basics of percentages. If you follow this for basics, and if you are a beginner in aptitude, this will help you, and make sure you practice every day. Then only you will be perfect in these percentages. Thank you very much for watching. I have uploaded the previous video in ages related problems and ratios, how to solve with the ratios, everything. Please check those. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.